Are you a DIY guy or gal? You may have seen some of the video clips from custom-built spas on building spas, hot tubs, swim spas, and small pools. But did you know they offer free books on other DIY projects as well? One of the free DIY books covers building rain walls, water features, fire pits, and more. These type projects are not hard to build, and they don't have to be expensive. They can add a whole new dimension to your personal backyard space and in many cases add equity value that is equal to or more than their cost. Shown here are 3 different DIY features: a fire pit, a rain wall, and a firebox. This fire pit is natural gas, as are the fireboxes. The rain wall was constructed as the support for the tiki bar above it on the upper deck. Customizing and creating these type features offers endless possibilities for any DIYer. What Custom Built Spas offers in their free books are the basics for several types of DIY projects. From there, let your creative ideas flow. Here you see a deck built around a DIY hot tub. Size and shape of either can be anything you want and fits in the space you have available. A complete book on the basics of deck building is another free book that you get access to and comes in Custom Built Spas online information and instruction package. This is the modest tiki bar built above the rain wall that I showed you in a previous picture. There are countless possibilities for construction of a tiki bar or any bar entertainment area. These can be simple structures or as outrageous as you want to make it. Let your imagination run wild with this type DIY project. What DIY backyard makeover would be complete without the addition of an outdoor kitchen area? Here again, outdoor kitchens can be mild to wild. The only restrictions are space, your budget, and your creativity. In this picture you see a simple covered outdoor kitchen area built on a patio. You've now seen that Custom Built Spas offers more than just instructions and information on building spas, hot tubs, swim spas, and small pools. They provide the valuable basics for a number of DIY projects that you can use to add that wow factor to your backyard. Visit www.custombuiltspas.com today and get your information package. Start saving money on your DIY projects right away.